My name is Nkudanyacho. His name is Ayele Ejeta. He's my husband. He has a CA patient, lung CA. Last year we'll come back in Yashoda 2022 August. Then he diagnosed the PT scan and all things. Dr. Harish is started. He's recommend PT scan. Then he got the stage and the another problem is his guts. He starts with Kirna, radiation doctor. His Kirna. We're talking Kidon Kuma. There are dialogues. Then they decide to stay in radiation. His relief. He's get the one radiation is started. He's after 6 months he deep sleep the first time. Then he takes 10 radiation. One chemo is advised. That almost 2 months we stay in Yashoda guest house. Then after he has a nice result, then take the medicine. We have to go our country. After 1 year almost, we'll all come back from checkup. They take again Dr. Harish. Then diagnosis CA is better. He's reduced almost small tumor only gets his head. Then when radiation is recommended, they start 6 chemo and the radiation is start and the chemo is 3 chemo is finished with Yashoda. Then 3 chemo is take our country to collect the medicine. All service is very nice. All especially Anna, our coordinator, she is everything is follow up. And Dr. Harish is also my doctor. Is daily his talk the patient progress and the patient he get any results. Always he talk to him by voice, by WhatsApp, talk to my country, our doctors. So I will say thank you so much, Dr. Harish and Dr. Kirna, all international department and Yashoda department, everybody. I will say thank you. And the service is so nice, like we are feel like home. Our feeling like home. So thank you so much. We say the patient is anything. We are coming from Ethiopia. From Ethiopia, we are advised for another patient because the Yashoda service is very nice. The doctor is really professional. He served like family, like brother, sister. We feeling like that. Thank you so much. Especially Dr. Harish, really I feel like my brother because anything is he follow up. Anything, any pain is already 24 hours here. His phone is for we are any message, anything we all send him anytime. He's respond quickly. I say thank you so much.